good afternoon everyone present here. I am Harshitha. I am here to present my project Inventory Holding Cost Prediction based on stock levels and stock duration. The aim of this project is it helps businesses to predict inventory holding cost by uploading data, and it uses machine learning model to give cost predictions through a web API. What problem does it solve in real life? Majorly, many companies such as Amazon, Flipkart, Blinkit, all these companies having their own shopping cart. At the same time, they have to get profit based on the stock storage. So, how exactly this project helps means companies store products in warehouses. It costs such as storage space, electricity, spoilage, insurance. Manually calculating this future cost leads to very slow calculation and inaccurate results, and it is also not scalable. So this project helps to overcome all these loopholes. The first process is analysis of data. I have using data set is inventory cost, which is from Kaggle. First step after collecting data is analysis of data. The data set consists of 1000 rows and 14 columns. After collecting data, we have to clean the data and we have to fix the missing values. Missing values can be fixed using mean and mode. Numerical columns can be fixed filling the mean values, and categorical columns can be fixed with the mode values. Numerical columns such as numerical data. Categorical columns include such as high, low and moderate values. Next step is EDA, it means exploratory data analysis, where here the model will be able to train based on the patterns which will be identified in the data set. In patterns, we can see that if the stock leads to higher storage days, it will cost high, and if it is stored in cold storage, it will be more expensive. And here in my data set, there are dependent and independent variables. Independent variable is such as stock level units, storage duration day, product category and product value, storage type, inventory, all these things. The dependent variable is holding cost. The major aim of this project is prediction of holding cost. This variable depend on remaining input or attributes. After fixing the missing values using null, we have to check the distribution of target variable. Target variable is holding cost. For holding cost, we have to include the count of the stocks which is present in the data set. Next feature is correlation heat map. Correlation heat map says that what exactly means the relation between one feature and another feature. Correlation heat map shows the relationship of features which is present in the data set. Let me show the demo of the project. This is a full stack where the flow of project. First, the user needs to upload the data either manually or they need to upload the data. Later, since my dependent variable is continuous, so I have using regression models for the classification of categorical values. Here, the platform will provide the sample data for the processing. Here, after uploading the data, what happens is the server will read the data and it sends data to the model. The model, once it is trained, it needs to be loaded. Here, the exploratory data analysis will occur. Here we have the various classifications for only the dependent variable, which is a target variable, versus the remaining independent variables such as stock level, storage duration, product value, inventory turnover, and this is categorical feature analysis such as product category, which includes clothing, electronics, food, etc. Storage types such as climate, outdoor, refrigerated, warehouse, and remaining things. Next, we have to train the models. While training, by default, first model will be a linear regression. Later, we can select the models according to the data. selecting the model, it will be trained and analysis will be given, which is a classification predictions and regression prediction. We can view the results here. Here I am comparing the mean absolute error, root mean squared error, as well as R2 score comparison. The matrices include R2 score is nothing but the proportion of variance explained by the model. Next one is mean absolute error, which says the average absolute difference between the predictions and the actual values. And root mean square error shows the penalties over large errors. This is about the regression matrices, linear regression, and the next model we can use ridge regression. Here the predictions will vary according to the regression, and this is my project. Thank you.